The journey to Citywide for me began at a point that I knew that I needed to discontinue doing what I was doing. And in terms of what I was doing is I was raising my family in Phoenix, and I was commuting to Los Angeles week after week after week. I had lunch with a former colleague, and he said, look, you're driven enough that you should go do your own thing. And it really stuck with me, and it was a blessing or a curse. And that started the path down the road that eventually led to a franchise consultant, and she presented me with a number of concepts, and Citywide stood out as the best fit for me. The first 2 to 3 years I was actively involved in going out to buildings. I was hands-on, I was in the work. And since then I've been able to develop a team that has relieved me a lot of that responsibility. And you're talking about a schedule that has reduced from 70 plus hours a week to a 40-hour week where I'm again much more present, even to a higher degree for my family and for my own desires and needs. It wasn't just me that came up with the answers to the challenges. I wasn't on my own. I had a support mechanism, not only in the franchisor in Kansas City, but also really the key piece of that support mechanism is the franchisees, and building deep relationships with them and knowing that they really want me to succeed. The opportunity to grow a very substantial business exists in every market in the country, and that's really what I'm chasing, is to try to realize the potential of the market.